Hi everyone, welcome back to the final week of MPL's Junior Engineers, the program where kids like you get to tackle epic, open-ended engineering design challenges. My name's Jen and I'm the Maker Place Coordinator here at MPL. For one final time, you're going to complete 4 tasks on Beanstack. You'll watch, make, share, and reflect to earn this week's challenge badge. The very last, final, most epic engineering design challenge yet is to build a marble run or marble maze, a system of tubes, roads, tunnels, and ramps for a marble to roll around in. By completing this last challenge, you're going to earn the Marble Run Challenge badge. In your Take and Make kit, you got everything that you need to complete this challenge. Let's take a look inside your final Junior Engineers Take and Make bag.
As always, there is a challenge instruction booklet in your Take and Make kit. You also got some painter's tape, which can be stuck to the wall, and you got some regular masking tape. You got some marbles, some scrap pieces of paper, some thin cardboard, some paper tubes, a small tube tunnel, a piece of cardstock, and you also got to choose one very big piece of thick cardboard.
You might also want to use some other things like
scissors, a writing tool, and glue.
Since it's the final week, I'm hoping I don't have to tell you to use the engineering design process to complete this challenge. It has 5 steps, and I'm hoping you know them. When you're all done and you've created your marble run, make sure you tidy up after yourself. It's time for our very last quick tip. For this week's quick tip, I want you to think about whether your marble run will be vertical or horizontal. Are you going to build your run by attaching it to a wall or a door and having the marble fall through? Or are you going to move the marble by moving the surface that it sits on, like in a marble maze? Making this decision is going to impact how you build your marble run and how you use the materials that you have. So take a minute to think about it. All right, Junior Engineers, well, that's the end of this video. That's the end of the Junior Engineers Design Challenges. And that's the end of Junior Engineers. This is our last week. I want to say thank you so much for participating. I also want to thank those of you that posted photos to the Junior Engineers Photo Padlet. They were incredible and I loved checking them out every week. Going forward, I hope you always remember to build it your way and no one else's. I can't wait to see what incredible marble runs you come up with this week. And I guess I can't say I'll see you next time, so I'll have to say bye for now.